Have you ever heard the saying, treat others as you want to be treated? This simple yet powerful idea is known as the golden rule. It's like a golden thread connecting people across cultures and time. It's a universal truth that speaks to the best of humanity. The golden rule is not just a nice thought, it's a powerful tool for building a kinder, more compassionate world. When we live by the golden rule, we choose empathy over selfishness. We choose understanding over judgment. The golden rule is more relevant than ever in today's world, where we face complex challenges like never before. From climate change to social injustice, we need to work together to find solutions. And the golden rule provides a strong foundation for cooperation and understanding. The golden rule is not unique to any one culture or religion. Its roots can be traced back to ancient civilizations across the globe. In ancient Greece, the philosopher Thales of Miletus taught, "Do not do to others what you would not have them do to you." In ancient China, Confucius, a renowned philosopher and teacher, articulated a similar principle known as reciprocity. He said, "Do not do unto others what you would not have them do unto you." This idea, known as the golden rule, can be found in different forms across various cultures and religions. In India, the Hindu scriptures emphasize the importance of ahimsa, which means non-violence and compassion towards all living beings. The Mahabharata, a Hindu epic, states, "One should never do that to another which one regards as injurious to one's own self." These examples show that the golden rule is a universal value that resonates deeply with people from all walks of life. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we all share a common humanity. The golden rule is a cornerstone of many of the world's major religions. It's a testament to the enduring power of this simple yet profound principle. In Christianity, Jesus taught his followers, "Do to others what you would have them do to you," Matthew 7:12. This teaching, known as the golden rule, emphasizes love, compassion, and treating others with the same kindness we hope to receive. In Islam, the Prophet Muhammad said, "None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself." This hadith, or saying of the Prophet, highlights the importance of empathy and putting the needs of others before our own. In Judaism, the Torah teaches, "Love your neighbor as yourself," Leviticus 19:18. This commandment emphasizes the importance of treating all people with respect and dignity, regardless of their background or beliefs. These examples demonstrate how the golden rule is woven into the fabric of religious teachings, inspiring generations to live with greater compassion and understanding. Stories have a powerful way of bringing the golden rule to life. They show us how this simple principle can make a real difference in the world. Let's look at some inspiring examples. Imagine a young boy named Alex who loves to play basketball. One day he sees a new student, David, sitting alone at lunch. David is shy and doesn't know anyone. Alex remembers how lonely he felt when he first started at the school. Putting himself in David's shoes, Alex decides to go talk to him. They discover a shared love for basketball and become good friends. In another story, a kind woman named Sarah is driving home from work when she sees an elderly man struggling to carry his groceries. Remembering how difficult it can be to carry heavy bags, Sarah pulls over and offers to help the man carry his groceries to his door. The man is incredibly grateful for Sarah's kindness. These stories, though simple, illustrate the power of the golden rule to inspire acts of kindness and create meaningful connections between people. The golden rule. Today, a beacon for modern times. In today's fast-paced, often divided world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by negativity and conflict. However, the golden rule provides a timeless beacon of hope, reminding us that we all share a common humanity. Whether we're engaging in online discussions, navigating cultural differences, or addressing issues of social injustice, the golden rule offers a framework for building bridges of understanding and fostering a more compassionate and just world. By choosing empathy over judgment, seeking common ground instead of division, and treating others with the same kindness and respect we hope to receive, we can create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond ourselves. Remember, even small acts of kindness, inspired by the Golden Rule, can make a world of difference in the lives of others and contribute to a brighter, more compassionate future for all. The pursuit of knowledge and the Golden Rule go hand in hand. As we learn more about the world and its diverse peoples, we gain a deeper appreciation for our shared humanity. We begin to see the world through different lenses, understanding the perspectives and experiences of those different from ourselves. This expanded worldview fosters empathy and compassion, making it easier to live by the Golden Rule. When we recognize our interconnectedness, we're more likely to treat others with kindness and respect, recognizing that their well-being is ultimately intertwined with our own. By embracing curiosity and open-mindedness, we can break down barriers of prejudice and misunderstanding, fostering a more inclusive and harmonious global community. The Golden Rule encourages us to approach learning with a spirit of humility and respect, recognizing that everyone has something valuable to teach us. This ongoing pursuit of knowledge and understanding is essential for building a better future for all. The Golden Rule is more than just a saying, it's a way of life. It's a call to action, urging us to approach every interaction with empathy, kindness, and a deep respect for the dignity of all people. As we navigate the complexities of the modern world, let us remember the timeless wisdom of the Golden Rule. Let us strive to treat others as we would like to be treated, building bridges of understanding and compassion wherever we go. What are some ways you can incorporate the Golden Rule into your daily life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content on living a more compassionate and fulfilling life. Together, we can make a difference.